Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable test tracks in Google Play for faster releases, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable test tracks in Google Play for faster releases, start by signing into your Google Play console. Next, select the app you wish to manage from your dashboard. Once in the app's overview, navigate to the release section in the left-hand menu. Click on Testing to view your testing options. Here, you will see three types of testing tracks: internal test, closed test, and open test. Choose the internal test track for the fastest release process. Click on the Create Internal Test button. Fill in the required details for your test, such as the track name and description. Next, add testers by entering their email addresses. Make sure the testers you add have access to the Google account you provided. After adding testers, move on to the APK or App Bundle section. Upload your APK or App Bundle by clicking on the Upload button. Once uploaded, review the release summary for any errors or warnings. If everything looks good, click on the Save button to preserve your changes. Now, navigate back to the main testing page and click Start Rollout. This will initiate the rollout of your app. After rolling out the app, testers will receive an email invitation to join the testing program. Encourage them to provide feedback to help you improve your app. You can monitor feedback and crashes in the Quality section of your Google Play console. If necessary, make adjustments based on tester feedback and repeat the process for future releases. By enabling test tracks, you ensure faster iterations and improved app performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.